Owen eating Sour Patch watermelons.
Sour Patch.
Okay, let's do this. Eat it. Is it good? Is it good?
He's fighting it.
Oh, he is. Look at his eyes. Eat it.
Eat it. Owen, eat it.
Eat another
Eat it.
one.
It's good. It's good. Make your eye twitch.
Eat another one.
He fought it. Damn. You broke
Wow.
He fought it.
Good job.
He killed it.
We almost had it right there. One more. Oh, look, he did it. He did it. One more. One more. Is it sour? Is it sour? Is it good? Is it yum yum? What is going on behind me? Can I have one? Thank you. Okay, don't. Yeah, you don't have to play with it. Just hand it over, buddy. Here, let me see. I don't care what color it is. Come on, candy. Those are good, huh?